To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to fade from color to black and white. Let's begin by going over to the media bin and clicking the new item button down here. Select adjustment layer. Then drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline above the video you'd like to add the effect to. And I'm just going to drag my adjustment layer's edge so that its duration matches my video. Next, let's go over to the effects panel. Type color balance into the search box. Drag the color balance HLS effect onto your adjustment layer. Make sure your adjustment layer is selected and go up to Effect Controls. Position the time head to where you want your video to start fading to black and white. Under Color Balance, click the stopwatch next to Saturation to create a starting keyframe. Move the time head to where you want your video to be fully black and white by. Decrease the saturation to -100 to create a second keyframe. Okay, and there we have our color to black and white effect. If you want to fade back to color, position the time head to where you want to start doing that. Next to saturation, click the little circle between the two arrows to create a third keyframe. Then move the time head to where you want your video to be fully color again. Change the saturation to 0 to create a fourth keyframe. Okay, and now when I play this back, my video goes from color to black and white and then back to color. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.